Good morning. Our sewer inspection location is 10679 Varese Lane, Northglenn, Colorado. Our access here is the toilet in the basement. There is a clean out on the back side of this closet right here. There's a main stack. You can see it from the mechanical room. I do suggest that they cut a hole in the side wall of that closet for access and service to that clean out in the future. So we're going to go ahead and put the camera in the line. Going around the fitting here at the bottom. Wow, right away you can see some extreme buildup here. So we do have a significant amount of buildup here. I'm going to zero out my footage. We're just around the toilet sweep looking down the pipe. I'm going to try and push my camera head in the line. And we got it to go around the fitting. So again, we do still have some pretty significant buildup. You can see the debris coming down from that tie-in in the top. We're pushing out toward the city main. So it's due for a good cleaning. As a preventive maintenance so far, it's pretty common stuff. .1 feet. This is from cast iron inside to clay pipe outside. You can see some small roots there on the right and the left side. You can see them kind of growing down the pipe. They're tiny, tiny, tiny little fibrous roots. Those are tap roots that have grown in that joint and then proceeded down the pipe here. So when they do clean the buildup, they'll get those roots out there as well. So you can see again some more roots here on the right hand side. Some more roots on the right hand side and the left. This is a large root. This would be considered an extreme root right here. So here we initially thought this was a joint. This is actually a spiral crack. It is not failing at this time. It will need to be repaired at some point in the future, but it is not failing today, and it looks like it's been there for quite some time. And then we have another one. This is at 26.3 feet. Then we have another one. That's a joint right there, and then here's another spiral crack. This one is a little bit worse than the previous one. You can see the top shifting because the roots have grown pretty bad through that left side. So I'm going to go ahead and suggest this one here be repaired. We're at 29.7 feet because that one is actually shifting. And it does have that extreme root coming through the left side. This right here is our city main connection. This little 6-inch collar is the most expensive part of the entire whole line. This joins your line to the city main. We're dropping down and into the city main here. The city main is actually made of cement pipe. You can see the rocks in there, and then this pipe here is actually terracotta clay. So you can see the difference in the materials, but that little fitting right there is the most expensive part of our entire whole line. And we are at 65.6 feet to the city main. We're going to go ahead and pull back.